So in the previous video, we have seen how to calculate the totals by the two ways. One is by the manual and one is by using the sum function into the Excel. Now we will see how to calculate the profit or loss. So I can directly use equal to sign and I can click on the cell, that is C2 cell, that is 3500 cell for the January month. Then after I can use the minus sign. Then after I can use the expenses, and then after I just press the enter. So here you can see this 2500 is my profit for this month. Okay, what I did, I have to press the equal to sign, then after click on the cells, and then after minus, and then after click on the expenses from the same month and just press the enter. Now here you can see my value is minus 343. That means here is the loss for this month. Okay, because my sales is 2000 but my expenses exceed the values of the cell, so here it is showing me the minus sign. So simple, you can repeat the step, equal to, select this cell, minus, selecting this cell and press the enter. Similarly, you can also repeat for the same, select this cell, minus, selecting this and press the enter. Now alternatively you can also do another method, that is copy paste. So let me show you. I want to click on this cell which is formula base and I want to use Control C. So hold down the Control key from your keyboard and at the same time you have to press the C, that is Control C, that is copy to clipboard. Or what you can do, you can click on this cell and you can click on this icon, copy, that is Control C, which is same which I have used from the keyboard shortcut. And then after I can highlight all the cell where I want to apply the formula, and then after I want to use Control V. So as you can see, same formula has been applied. Whichever I have copied from this cell, same has been applied at here. Now Excel is smart intelligent. So as you can see, for the value of 920, it has been automatically take C10 minus D10. Okay, for this it has been automatically take C13 minus D13. Obviously in some cases you do not want to change the cell. So for that you have to use the dollar sign, that I will show you later on, that how to use the dollar sign so that it will be remains constant your cell. But as of now we want to do the profit loss for this 12-month data set. So this is the way that you can do it. Now same thing I want to use. So here as you can see, if you double click on this cell formula, so you can see that this is the formula that you have applied. Or alternatively, if you click on the formula cell, you can also check is equal to sum D2 to D13. You can also wording like range starting from D2 and ending to the D13, right? I want to copy, Control C, go here and press the Control V. So as you can see, my total profit is 1728.54. Obviously this may be in rupees or dollar or euro dollar, anything, right? And we will see in the future how to apply the currency symbol into the number. So this is how you can calculate and you can prepare one simple Excel sheet. So congratulations after completing this exercise where you learn how to enter the data in form of text, in form of numbers. You have also seen how to apply some formulas and how to use copy and paste function into the Excel. Obviously, don't stop. There is much more stuff is available for you. So stay tuned for the course.